Hi there, this is Mrs. Michelson, and today I'm going to do a tutorial on the song Old MacDonald Had a Farm. Now, there are a couple of new things in Old MacDonald Had a Farm. There is the note D, which is the pitch right below the staff right here. And then it has 3 fingers and 3 fingers with your thumb. And it's very low, so you have to blow super duper soft, so it'll look like this. And you're going to want to be careful that you get this finger all the way over both of those holes. Try and play with me now. Good. Now, something else that is new on Old MacDonald is we have 8th notes that are all connected together. These are just TTs, and see, they look just like that, only they're actually all connected together. They're not 16th notes. They are not tika tika. They are not tika tika. They are not 16th notes. They don't go any faster than regular 8th notes. They just put them all together. So we would count this rhythm starting here. T, T, ta, T, T, ta, T, 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 ta, ta. Doesn't go any faster. They're just put together so that they look prettier. That's really the only reason why. Now, the other thing that is new is we have a quarter rest, which is 1 beat of silence. We've played this before. And then we have a dotted half note, which gets 3 beats. So you would count it ta. Now, let's sing and finger our way through the first line here. The first phrase, I'm sorry. So we're going to go, Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Here we go, sing and finger. I'm going to point, you're going to sing and finger. G, 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 D, E, E, D, B, B, A, G. Rest. Now I'm going to move my fingers and sing and finger this time with you. Ready? Sing and finger. G, 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 D, E, E, D, B, B, A, G. Rest. Now, let's play it on recorder. Ready? Go. Now, I have some good news for you. The next phrase is the same thing. There's just a low D that is a pickup to the phrase again. Sing and finger, starting at on that farm, and on that farm he had some chicks, E-I-E-I-O. We're going to sing and finger. Sing and finger, here we go. D, G, 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 D, E, E, D, B, B, A, G. Rest. Now we're just going to play the little section that says, and on that farm he had some chicks, E-I-E-I-O. Starting at on and on that farm. 1, 2, ready, go. So now we're going to do the first half of the song. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on that farm he had some chicks, E-I-E-I-O. We're going to play that whole first part. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. Good. Now, I want you to go back and practice that first half of the song before you work on the next half. I'm going to make another video for you to look at how to play the second half that starts with the chick chick here. And it'll be a part 2 video so that you can break this up into smaller chunks and make sure that you really understand and really have mastered each part before you move on. Happy practicing!